the flat Earth. It's on the UN flag, right? And here we have a newspaper, Philadelphia Inquirer, 1964. And this is a series, special reports, and it's called Historical Events That Shape Our World. Funny they say shape our world. Anyway, this map here, as you can see, is the exact map on the UN flag. You notice what's missing. You got it. Antarctica. I wonder why. I'll show you some more. All these newspaper articles showing versions of the globe, if you will. But the one thing they're missing is Antarctica. No Antarctica anywhere. Another one. They have a funny version of the North Pole, which, to me, I still think it might be a magnetic mountain, hence why compasses work. But here, all they have is a nipple. Looks like a nipple. Again, these maps are all missing Antarctica. Now somebody could say, oh, it's at the bottom of the globe. But why would they make all these illustrations and not show the entire planet? Even this one, this is more of a modern interpretation. Again, Antarctica should be down here at the bottom, but it's not. Again, we have the North Pole, which looks like a nipple. Again, one after the other, North Pole nipple, missing Antarctica. Alright, they got Australia, they got everything else. Antarctica is missing in action for some reason. Well, I'll show you why in a second. I think you already know where I'm going with this. Not to mention their stupid version of how people got to the moon. Which we know that never happened either. But anyway, foolishness. Absolutely foolishness. Again, another map. Again, missing Antarctica. Funny thing is, this first one is actually an exact copy of the Gleason's map. To a T. So these guys at the UN know what the Earth looks like. The reason there's no Antarctica is because it's not in the world. It's surrounding the world. And they know it. And that's why it's not in these illustrations. Another thing is, any flat earther knows who's making up these lies. We all know it. Let's show it. Yes, I'm using their money. Anyway, this is Morals and Dogma. And in their book, you know they use the square and compass. The square is a right angle formed by two right lines. It is adapted only to a plane surface and belongs only to geometry, earth measurement, that trigonometry which deals only with planes and with the earth which the ancients supposed to be a plane. Again, these guys know it, and they're lying to the world. Again, got their dirty Illuminati money here as a bookmark. Again, in their own book, the square is an instrument adapted for plane surfaces only, and therefore appropriate to geometry or measurement of the earth, which appears to be, and was by the ancients supposed to be, a plane. So therefore, it is natural and appropriate symbol of this earth and the things that belong to it. But, of course, the compass is equally important and natural and appropriate symbol of the heavens and all celestial things and celestial natures. So basically, when people say, oh, the earth has to be a ball because everything in space is a ball, well, not necessarily. The square is for flat earth, the compass is for the heavenly bodies. They know what's flat and they know what's round. And they've been lying.